I have to show you something. This will make all your home renovation dreams a reality. Quickly, your future depends on it.
How many times do I have to tell you no Legos in the kitchen? Ow, 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 ow.
This pathetic-looking creature is me. Exactly 2 years ago to the second. Just like you, we'd been living in this old house a long time. We loved the area, the schools, even the nudist family who lived behind us who doesn't own a single set of curtains. We met with a contractor to plan our dream remodel. But when the quote arrived, great Scott! But this is the moment that my future changed forever, because this is the moment when my best friend told me about the RenoFi Loan. The RenoFi Loan makes what you didn't think was possible, possible. Just wait till you see what I'm about to show you. Virtually every other home loan out there is based on the present value of your home. And my home was no present. Not even sure I could give it away. But the RenoFi Loan projects into your future, calculating your home's value after renovations. It's like a loan time machine, without the almost kissing your mother part. I knew there was no way we could pay cash for this remodel, and the bank said there wasn't enough equity in our home for a loan. But the RenoFi Loan made it possible to get $100,000 to do all this and this, all for around the cost of a new car payment each month. Thanks to our RenoFi Loan, we pushed back this wall, doubling the size of the kitchen to give us all this beautiful counter space, a kitchen island, and appliances that actually work. So that's what a dishwasher's supposed to do.
We did the same to our beautiful new master bathroom.
My only regret is that I could have been living like this for the past 10 freaking years.
RenoFi really has eliminated all the obstacles between you and the remodel you've always dreamed of. So click the link below. Don't be me. Don't waste years and years of your life living in a home that you don't absolutely love. Come on, click it. Your future self will thank you. As for the kids, did you notice? We also finished the basement, so they leave me in peace. How's that for a happy ending? Now, if you'll just click that link, I gotta keep looking for the soap.